welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a little project with my drill press. It's a floor model from Princess Auto. The issue I'm having, a lot of the cutting fluid and swarf from the drill falls down through the vise and the table and down onto the floor. Now with the cutting fluids and the swarf, it's a pain in the butt to clean up. So I'm going to build a little tray that goes on the bottom. Couple pins that I can slide it to lock it into place. That'll catch a lot of that stuff and make it easier to clean up. So it took some measurements, pretty quick basic design. It's going to be about 11 inches wide, 10 inches long. I'm going to make it 2 inches deep and then a 2-inch deflection at about a 45. So this piece here will go up against the main support of the drill press from the floor. And yeah, I'll lay it out onto the metal, give you guys a glimpse, and then get some shots of me cutting out the pieces. Okay, got my pieces marked out, some straight edges set up. I got some 2-inch flat bar that I'm going to use for the edges around. Plasma cutters all set up, ready to go. Okay, so we got our pieces cut out. We got the bottom piece. We got two 10-inch for the short sides, two 11-inch for the long sides, and one more 11-inch that's going to do that 45, so that when we slide it into the base here, it's going to touch nice and tight against here. Anything that falls down, we'll make sure it falls into the drop pan that we're going to make. Got the welder set up. We'll tack up some pieces and get it ready to weld out. Okay, so here we are at the base. On the bottom, you'll notice I welded in a couple of bolts. Those line up with the slots there, kind of locks it in place. There. So here's the finished product. Unfortunately, my battery ended up dying before I could show you guys painting and all that, but it's in place. I painted the same color as the drill press and works good. In a little while I'll do a update video on how well it's been working. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.